This syringe with swab cap is used to prevent 4 catheters from getting blocked and to remove any leftover medication from the catheter site. It is important to use it as directed by your healthcare provider to ensure the proper functioning of the 4 catheter. Make sure to follow the recommended dosage and timing for the best results. When using Swabflush syringe with swab cap, it is important to follow your doctor's instructions for injection into the 4 catheter. If you are administering this product at home, make sure to learn the preparation and usage instructions from your healthcare professional. Before use, always check the product for any particles or discoloration, and do not use it if either is present. It is also crucial to learn how to safely store and dispose of medical supplies. Using this medication regularly is key to getting the most benefit from it. To help you remember, try to use it at the same times each day. If you notice any signs of infection near the catheter site, such as tenderness, pain, swelling, redness, or warmth, be sure to inform your doctor. If you experience mild irritation at the injection site, it's important to inform your doctor or pharmacist. It's essential to remember that the benefits of using this medication outweigh the potential side effects as prescribed by your doctor. Although serious allergic reactions are rare, seek immediate medical help if you notice symptoms such as rash, itching or swelling, severe dizziness, or trouble breathing. If you experience any other effects not listed, make sure to contact your doctor or pharmacist. Before using the Swabflush syringe with swab cap, make sure to inform your doctor or pharmacist of any allergies you may have. This product may contain inactive ingredients that could cause allergic reactions. It's important to discuss your medical history with your healthcare provider before using this medication. If you are planning to have surgery, it's important to inform your doctor or dentist about all the medications and products you are using. This medication is considered safe to use during pregnancy and breastfeeding. Always consult with your doctor or pharmacist before starting this medication. When using Swabflush syringe with swab cap, it's important to be aware of potential drug interactions that could affect how your medications work or increase your risk for serious side effects. It's important to keep a list of all the products you use, including prescription and non-prescription drugs, as well as herbal products, and share this information with your doctor and pharmacist. Always consult your doctor before starting, stopping, or changing the dosage of any medicines. This will help ensure the safe and effective use of Swabflush syringe with swab cap. If someone has taken too much of this medication and is experiencing severe symptoms like fainting or difficulty breathing, it is important to seek immediate medical assistance. In the U.S., you can call your local poison control center at 1-800-222-1222, and in Canada, you can contact a provincial poison control center. Remember not to share this medication with anyone else. It is important to use it only as directed by your healthcare provider. Make sure to take each dose of Swabflush syringe with swab cap as directed by your healthcare provider. If you happen to miss a dose, be sure to consult with your doctor or pharmacist to determine the best course of action for a new dosing schedule. Be sure to store Swabflush syringe with swab cap at room temperature and avoid freezing it. It's important to keep this medication away from children and pets and not to store it in the bathroom. When it comes to disposal, do not flush the medication down the toilet or pour it into a drain unless specifically instructed to do so. Instead, consult your pharmacist or local waste disposal company for proper disposal when the product is expired or no longer needed. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the U.S., you call FDA 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.